Welcome back. St. Anthony's Tenant and Munkar Association at Kerry has opposed the golf course at Thirakol. They say that most of the land is talented and owned by tenants and Munkars. They submitted a memorandum to the Tourism Department along with Gram Sabha resolution opposing the golf course. The setting of golf course is opposed by the villagers of Thirakol Pedne. The project has been awarded to one leading hotel private limited. St. Anthony's Tenant and Munkar Association at Kerry informed that most of the land in Thirakol village is a tenanted land. They also claimed that they have the sanad issued by the Mamladar of Pedne. They have demanded immediate action on the matter.
या टुरिझम डायरेक्टरा लागीं हांव मागता हातून सगळी अभ्यास करचो आणि हे सुवातेन तांणी चौकशी करची खरीच कुळाची जमीन हा वो कुळाची जमीन न्हू पळय ती.
St. Anthony's Tenant and Munkar Association President Diego Rodriguez said that the people of Thirakol were misled by the leading hotel company by creating a false impression of building a hotel project in the village.
एक ग्रीन सिग्नल या लिडिंग हॉटेलाक दिलेले आहा आणि ताका आमचो अपोज आसा कारण ही जी सुवात तेराखोलान 12.5 लाख स्क्वेअर मीटर आहा जवळ जवळ 90% ती सुवात टेनेंटेड मुनकार ही सुवात आसा.
Earlier, the Gram Panchayat of Kerry Thirakol had passed a resolution opposing the golf course in their village. The same has been submitted to the Tourism Department on Thursday.
3 तरेचे डॉक्युमेंट करता तो एक एफिडेविट बरोवन घेता आमचे लागसान एक MOU करून घेता आणि पावर ऑफ एटर्नी असले तरेन ह्या कुळांक तो भायर काडटा.
A reporter in Panji, Devidas Kamli, with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi. Banale MLA Churchill Alema has warned the governors of law and order situation if Majorda Bridge is inaugurated on Friday. The bridge was earlier inaugurated by Miki Pacheco. He says it will be an insult to the priest if the bridge is re-inaugurated. Churchill Alema will inaugurate the approach road and under bridge on Friday. This bridge will be inaugurated by Valenka Alema in the presence of Chief Minister Digambar Kamath, Urban Development Minister Joki Alemao, Environment Minister Alex Sequeira and others. Interestingly, this same bridge was earlier inaugurated by Miki Pacheco. People from a long time faced trouble crossing the railway track. The road is fully accessed by the commuters. Miki warned of law and order problem if bridge is inaugurated another time.
जे ब्रिज या धार्मिक भावान ओपन केलेली ब्लेस करून तेंचे चढोन हे आमदार मंत्री येवन हिंगा इनॉग्रेशन करता म्हणजे ही गोष्ट सारकी न्हू आनी म्हाका दिसता हे गोष्टी लागून हाल्या लॉ एंड ऑर्डर प्रॉब्लेम जातले कित्याक आयज सगळो लोक हिंगा एकठांय जाला. हांव सरकाराक मागता हाल्या लॉ एंड ऑर्डर प्रॉब्लेम जायत जाल्यार हांव ह्या सरकाराक जबाबदारी करतलो हिंगा.
He also said that it was an insult to the priest and the locals who were present for the inauguration earlier. Miki even said that Digambar Kamath, Churchill Alemao, Alex Sequeira, Joki Alemao and Movin Gudino are communal.
ही ब्रिज उक्ती केलेली ब्लेस करून तेचेर हे आमदार हे मंत्री फुडें सरून हांवें तर फुडें सरून इनॉग्रेशन करता ही गोष्ट सारकी ना. हे कम्युनल सगळे मंत्री आहाय ते हिंगा कम्युनल पण करताय. हांव सगळें म्हणटा हे दुसऱ्या बोट दाखयताय म्हण बीजेपी कम्युनल बीजेपीन दोबऱ्यादान कम्युनल मंत्री आहाय ते.
A reporter in Majorda, Samir Bhatt. Crime branch has done scene of offence at Korgaon illegal mine. Police say that the mine is illegal and ore is still lying at the site. However, Desh Prabhu claims that the charges of running illegal mining activity in his property are false and politically motivated. Senior officers from crime branch confirmed scene of offences recorded on Wednesday. The mine is illegal. Ore is still lying at the site. Speaking to PTI news agency on Thursday, National Secretary of the NCP Jitendra Desh Prabhu claimed that excavation work was intended for agricultural purpose, not for mining. He said that allegations leveled against him are politically motivated. Jitendra Desh Prabhu refused to comment, stating that he will give comment on Friday. Desh Prabhu was not even ready to talk on phone regarding the charges against him. Desh Prabhu, along with the State Mines Director Arvind Lolyankar, Chief Conservator of Forest Shashi Kumar, have been booked under the Prevention of Corruption Act and cheating for defrauding the state exchequer to the tune of rupees 50 crores by illegally mining. Our reporter in Panji, Basuri Desai. Miki Pacheco has decided to serve a show cause notice to the crime branch. The notice will question delay in filing a FIR on a complaint filed against Churchill Alemão. Miki had filed complaint on the irregularities committed by Alemão.
It seems the crime branch is dragging its feet in filing an FIR against PWD Minister Churchill Alemão. Benoni MLA Miki Pacheco had filed a complaint in the crime branch on 18th April under Prevention of Corruption Act and Indian Penal Code for violating Central Vigilance Commission norms and also guidelines of CPWD. Now, Miki intends to serve a notice to the crime branch seeking to know why no action has been initiated against the minister.
I'm making tomorrow this Soko's notice I'm sending to the crime branch.
So तुम्ही GMX कोर्टातल्यान बी ताका ते
No, I just given direct to the crime branch. I don't need to. It's one of our department only. I'm going to send them the Soko's notice tomorrow and give them time. And then if that was the case, I'll go to the High Court.
The complaint had mentioned that a fraud was committed in the PWD tendering process by implementing a circular after Alemão took over as minister. Pacheco has stated that Alemão has caused loss worth crores of rupees since the last 4 years to the state exchequer by manipulating the tender guidelines since his appointment as the minister. However, Alemão has denied the charges. A reporter from Madgaon, Samir Bhatt.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.